There is nothing more beautiful than the sound of the calm water, the elemental, and then of course the trees and its animals, the birds, all kind of birds, the blossom frozen in ice, and they still survive, you know. It kind of forms a blanket to protect them against the cold weather, because we're expecting -5 today, which doesn't sound much, but for the body and for the flowers, these delicate new blossoms, it could be much. But I always feel nature knows what it's supposed to be done when it comes to cleansing and preparation, and April definitely shows us the way how to do that deep cleanse, as we also going through our own journey of cleansing and preparing ourselves for what's coming next in our evolutions. So I'm going to film you now as I'm going outside to the wildness. Just give me a moment.